Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the SPY ETF. We initially released a report on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, and now we're excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.88. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, SPY has exceeded our expectations with a remarkable gain of 5.65% since our initial recommendation to buy it 15 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has generated a daily return of 0.38% since it received the hold/accumulate ranking. Based on the current 3-month trend, it seems there may be a potential minus 1.60% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 11.64% and minus 1.60%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it indicates a 14.42% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.36% and 20.02%. In other words, the price range could be between $474.88 and $546.13 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SPY ETF brings positive news. On Wednesday, the ETF experienced a green day, with a gain of 0.388%. The price of the SPY ETF rose from $453.27 to $455.03 on the last trading day, showing a 0.388% increase. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $453.89 and a high of $456.38, marking a 0.549% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 4.07% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased, aligning with the price increase. Approximately 9 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 55 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $25.11 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.96% below the 52-week high, equating to a difference of $4.41. Furthermore, it is 5.2% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 4, 2022 when the price reached $479.98. Here are the important signals for SPY. The SPY ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of price corrections, there is support from the lines at $451.68 and $433.29. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.8%. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. It is a rare occurrence and often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has generated a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal, which occurred 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal, which occurred 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 38 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. When we look at the downside, we can see that the ETF has a support level just below today's price. This support is marked by accumulated volume at $429.54 and $426.43. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of SPY, the next support levels would be at $429.54 and $412.55, based on accumulated volume. Moving on to risk, we consider this ETF to have medium risk. It has average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $2.49, which is about 0.549% of its value. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.613%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. Let's start with the positive side. SPY currently faces no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the other hand, let's explore the downside. SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $432.97, which is a decrease of 4.85%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, implying a medium level of risk. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, stands at 86, which significantly increases the risk. Additionally, a buy signal was generated by a pivot bottom discovered 18 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently more suitable as a hold candidate or for accumulation, as we wait for further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price of SPY is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 24th, we anticipate SPY to open up $0.0698 and begin trading at $455.10. It's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Before making any buying or selling decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor. We want to emphasize that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for the ETF? We're excited to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe for more valuable information. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for being here.